When it comes to making your Ferndale home stand out, enhancing curb appeal is key. One of the most impactful and transformative upgrades you can make is installing new windows and doors. These elements not only improve the aesthetic value of your property but also boost energy efficiency, increase security, and enhance your home's overall value. Here's how you can elevate your home's curb appeal with stylish and functional windows and doors. Why curb appeal matters. Curb appeal is your home's first impression. Whether you're preparing to sell or simply want to make your house a place you're proud to come home to, exterior upgrades can make a world of difference. High-quality windows and doors play a vital role in defining your home's character. From classic Ferndale craftsman-style homes to sleek modern builds, the right choices can blend seamlessly with your property's architecture. The power of new windows. Aesthetic transformation. Windows are a prominent feature of any home's exterior. Upgrading to new styles, such as bay or bow windows, can add depth and character. For Ferndale homeowners with historic homes, selecting wood or wood-look frames preserves the charm while offering modern functionality. Customization. Tailor your windows to suit your personal taste and your home's design. Options like grid patterns, trim colors, and frame materials ensure you get the perfect fit for your style. Ferndale's unique architectural landscape provides the perfect opportunity to experiment with designs that stand out. Energy efficiency. New windows do more than just look good. They come equipped with energy-efficient technology like double or triple glazing and low-E coatings. These features help maintain indoor temperatures, reducing your energy bills, a major plus in Michigan's fluctuating weather. Natural light. Updated windows can dramatically improve the amount of natural light in your home, creating a warm and welcoming atmosphere. Large picture windows or well-placed casement windows make a bold statement while illuminating interiors. The role of new doors. Enhanced entryways. Your front door is the focal point of your home's exterior. Replacing an outdated or worn door with a new, stylish one can instantly elevate your home's curb appeal. Bold colors like deep red or navy blue can create a striking impression, while natural wood tones evoke timeless elegance. Materials matter. Modern doors offer a variety of materials to match your needs. Fiberglass doors, for instance, are durable and energy efficient, while steel doors offer unparalleled security. Wood doors, on the other hand, provide a classic look ideal for historic Ferndale homes. Added features. Consider doors with decorative glass inserts, side lights, or transoms to add personality and sophistication. These elements also allow more light into your entryway, creating a bright and inviting ambiance. Sliding and patio doors. For backyard-facing areas, replacing old sliding doors with contemporary options like French doors or energy-efficient sliders can create a seamless indoor-outdoor connection, perfect for entertaining or relaxing. How to choose the right windows and doors for your Ferndale home. Match the architecture. Ferndale is known for its diverse range of homes, from quaint bungalows to stately Victorians. Choose windows and doors that complement your home's architectural style. For example, double-hung windows are ideal for traditional homes, while sleek, large-pane windows suit modern designs. Consider climate. Michigan's weather can be unpredictable, making durability and insulation key factors. Look for weather-resistant materials and energy-saving features to ensure your investment lasts through snowy winters and humid summers. Hire professionals. Installing new windows and doors is a job best left to professionals. Local contractors in Ferndale understand the area's unique needs and can recommend options tailored to your home. Benefits beyond aesthetics. While new windows and doors greatly enhance curb appeal, they also bring practical benefits. Increased energy efficiency means lower utility bills, while advanced locking mechanisms improve home security. Additionally, quality upgrades can raise your home's resale value, making them a wise long-term investment. Elevate your home's exterior today. Whether you're looking to make a bold statement or simply refresh your home's look, upgrading your windows and doors is one of the most effective ways to enhance curb appeal. For Ferndale homeowners, these upgrades offer an opportunity to blend style, functionality, and energy efficiency while staying true to the community's unique character. Get started today by exploring the wide variety of window and door options available. With professional guidance and quality materials, your Ferndale home will become the envy of the neighborhood.